For a budget smartphone, this Samsung Galaxy A20e packs in quite a bit of punch. Stay tuned for the unboxing and my first impressions. Hey guys, it's Khalid here and welcome back to another video. So we'll get straight to the point and look at the box itself. Really nice small packaging and a slim profile. At the front we see a back and front view of the Samsung Galaxy A20e. If we move to the back we can see the specification. So it has 32GB of internal storage, Infinity V display which is Samsung's equivalent of a display with a notch. We have dual camera that has a 13MP and a 5MP sensor, fast charging at 15 watts. We've got 4G LTE, Octa-core processor along with 3GB of RAM. So the display is a PLS TFT screen. It measures in at 5.8 inches. It's a HD plus resolution, so you get 720 by 1560 with a PPI of 296. And because the screen is quite tall, you get an aspect ratio of 19.5 by 9. So I believe I covered most of the specifications, so let's quickly get on with the point and cut into the box and slide that cover off. So the first thing you're presented with is a box within a box, so boxception, bloody magical moment. But what you get inside that is we have a warranty card and a quick start guide. Not going to speak much about it, pretty much self-explanatory. But once we remove that to one side, you'll be presented with that brand new spanking Samsung Galaxy A20e in all its glory, and then covered in that beautiful wrapper which is so satisfying to remove. But that's going to be moved to one side as well, and we'll see what else is included in the box. So we have a UK charger, country specific depending on where you buy it from. Obviously it charges up to 15 watts, and we have a USB-C cable. Very nice to have a USB-C port on a budget handset, and we also have a very cheap pair of earphones included in the box along with a SIM removal tool. Now the A20e is being marketed as a budget handset, but boy, for a budget handset, the finish and the feel of the phone feels fantastic. So we have a plastic finish on the back. It feels of high grade and high material. So if we go on the front of the phone, we can see the Infinity V display and the 8MP camera being housed in the middle of the screen. The side bezels are also relatively small, but we do have a bit of a chin at the bottom portion of the screen. At the bottom of the phone we have a 3.5mm headphone jack which will please a lot of people. We have USB-C, a primary microphone along with down-firing speakers. On the left hand side we have insert for micro SD card and SIM card. On the right hand side we have a power on and off along with a volume rocker, and on the top we have a secondary microphone for noise cancellation. If we have a look at the back of the phone, we have the Samsung logo, the fingerprint scanner, LED flash and a dual camera system. So the primary camera being a 13MP whilst the secondary being an ultra wide 5MP camera with 123-degree field of view. So that's pretty much what the human eye sees in. So powering on the phone, you have to go through the normal setup procedure such as creating a Google account, connecting to the Wi-Fi, having some sort of phone security, whether that be in a pattern, a password or a fingerprint lock. And the fingerprint is quite easy to set up. You just swipe down on the scanner at the back of the phone and that's it, you're registered. And it opens and unlocks your phone very quickly, and I am happy with the speed it does it at. Now on first impressions, the phone seems very smooth. You can switch between different screens with absolute ease. You can also open up the app drawer, navigate through without any problem, and you can also long press on icons. So if you hold down the camera button, it'll give you an option of video or photo. If you do the same for the browser, you'll have new tab, new secret tab, etc. And for messaging, you have the option of creating a new message. You also have further options such as select items, remove from home, uninstall and app info. Although this phone doesn't have the flagship Samsung OLED screen, the color reproduction is pretty good. The blacks will suffer, so they'll look more grey as expected from a TFT screen, but for daily use and everyday consumption such as watching media on YouTube, Netflix or Amazon, it's more than fine. And you do also have to balance it out from the price point, so it's extremely good value for money. As long as you have adequate lighting in your room or use the phone outside with good sunlight, then it will take pretty decent pictures and you can upload it on social media sites. Also browsing websites such as BBC News, other tech websites, it seems quite quite smooth and it loads up pretty quickly. Alright guys, so that was a very quick look at the Samsung A20e. Bear in mind it's more of an unboxing and first look video. I'll be using the phone for around another week or two until I can bring out a full comprehensive review. And if you have any suggestions, then please leave them down in the comment section below. If you like the video, then do hit that thumbs up button, and if you want more content, then please don't forget to subscribe. If you can't wait for the review and want to get your hands on the phone, then do check out my links in the description box below. And as always guys, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.